Hello drummers, here's a free lesson on how to make half bar fills to spice up your playing a little bit. A half bar fill starts on beat 3. In other words, we've got 2 beats of playing and then 2 beats of the fill. So we're going to go 1, 2, insert, fill. 1, 2, insert, fill. In context, that will work like this. 1, 2, insert, fill. 1, 2, insert, fill. Got that? Hopefully so. Let's try and make some fills that fit there. So we're going to use 16th notes, semiquavers. We count those, in this case, because we're starting on beat 3, as 3E and 4E and 3E and 4E and. So example 1 is going to go between the snare and the first tom, and that sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3E and 4E and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3E and 4E and. And on example 2, we're going to mix this up a little bit, and we're going to go between the snare and the floor tom. So same concept, same idea, but this time we're going 3E and 4E and. In context, it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3E and 4E and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3E and 4E and 1. On example 3, we're going to split the groups in half again, and I'm going to go between first tom and snare and first tom and floor tom like this. 3E and 4E and. Let me show you that again nice and slow. 3E and 4E and. In context, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Sounds nice, doesn't it? Now let's take things up another notch. We're going to split the groups into individual notes. On group 3, 3E and. Notice how I put the first note on the floor tom there. 3E and. And I'm playing it as singles. Right, left, right, left. If you're a lefty, by the way, that'll be left, right, left, right. I'm still using singles. I could use a double, like that. But I don't advise using a double at the moment for this type of basic fill. It's easier just to go with singles. 3E and 4E and. That's how this one goes. 3E and 4E and. In context, sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3E and 4E and. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3E and 4E and 1. Now let's spice things up by making our own examples here. We've played 3E and 4E and, but you can move it around the kit any way you want using these 16th notes. So I went 3E and 4E and earlier on. You could try it like that. 3E and 4E and, but you could use any part of the kit. 3E and 4E and. You could even involve the hi-hat. 3E and 4E and. Sounds really good when you do. You can have anything you want. Play with single notes, move like this. 3E and 4E and. 3E and 4E and. Anything goes. I'll make a little improvisation for you, showing you how you can join these together and make whatever you want with it. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to see what happens when it happens, but you'll get the idea from it. 1, 2, 3E and 4E and. 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 1, 2, 3E and 4E and 1, 2, 3E and 4E and 1, 2, 3E and 4E and 1, and so on. I made all of those up on the spot. I didn't know what I was going to do. I just let the music kind of flow around and see where it wanted to go. That's without adding accents, by the way. Once you start adding accents into what you're playing, it can sound really, really good by adding a bit more musicality and a bit of depth. But get the hang of the basics first, and you'll smash that before long, I'm sure. I hope you found this helpful, and I hope you found it useful. If you have, please do like and subscribe, and check out other lessons that I've got on my channel. I'm sure some of them might be of interest for you, whether it's about setting up your kit or playing beats and fills, whatever. And if you've got any questions, pop them in the comments below and I will get back to you. But until next time, take care and enjoy your drumming.